Meaning of dancer.
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 Dancer. A dancer is someone who performs choreographed movements to music or other forms of rhythm. They are often highly skilled in a specific style or genre, such as ballet, modern dance, hip-hop, or folk dance. Dancers may perform solo or as part of a group, and their performances can range from classical and traditional to experimental and avant-garde. Dancing can be a form of entertainment, art, therapy, or cultural expression. Regardless of the context, dancers use their bodies to convey emotions, tell stories, and connect with audiences on a visceral level.